Let's do a stone fruit just like a peach. The same technique applies to apricot, nectarines, and plums. All the stone fruit, they have in the center a pit. So what we're gonna do is go around the peach without putting too much pressure, and then we're gonna twist it. So you wanna be careful so you don't destroy your knife. The peaches have a natural line right here. You just wanna go around that. We want to make sure that our knife is completely straight so it meets exactly where we started. And now we're going to twist it. So we have one side that is empty. This one you can cut as you please, just cut straight down to create some wedges. Just like so. But we still have the pit right here. So you want to do the same thing. Just go towards the pit, roll it around. Be careful with the knife not to cut yourself. And just peel it off the pit.